कानाकोपऱ्यामध्ये ज्या ज्या मंडळींनी हे आंदोलन केलं त्यामध्ये सहभागी झाले, त्यांची ही जीत आहे, त्यांचा विजय असं मी मानतो. खरं तर 1857 मध्येच स्वातंत्र्याच्या लढाईला सुरुवात झाली होती आणि 1857 ते 1942 पर्यंत ही लढाई चालू राहिली. अनेक लोकांनी आपल्या प्राणाचं बलिदान केलं त्या लढाईमध्ये. आणि मुंबईमध्ये ग्वालियर टँकमध्ये एक क्रांतीचा नारा दिला, चले जाओ, 1942. तो क्रांतीचा नारा दिला, इंग्रजांना सांगितलं चले जाओ, आणि 47 साली इंग्रज या देशातून गेला. इंग्रज गेला, पण आज 64 वर्ष झाले भ्रष्टाचार कमी झाला नाही, गुंडागर्दी कमी झाली नाही, लूट कमी झाली नाही, दहशतवाद कमी झाला नाही. काय घडलं इंग्रज जाऊन या देशामध्ये? फक्त गोरे गेले आणि काळे आले, फरक एवढाच झाला. काय मिळेल आम्हाला स्वातंत्र्य? आज तीच लूट चालू आहे, तोच दहशतवाद चालू आहे. आज सामान्य माणसाला आपलं जीवन जगणं अशक्य झालंय या भ्रष्टाचारामुळं, महागाईमुळं. खरं स्वातंत्र्य मिळालेलं नाही अजून. म्हणून आता ही स्वातंत्र्याची दुसरी लढाई सुरू झालेली आहे. तिची मशाल ही प्रज्वलित झालेली आहे. आता स्वातंत्र्याच्या दुसऱ्या लढाईची ही मशाल प्रज्वलित झालेली आहे. या लढाईमध्ये भारतातल्या कानाकोपऱ्यातले लोक उभे झालेले आहेत. त्यामुळे मला विश्वास वाटतो, विशेषतः तरुण जो उभा झाला तो मी फार महत्वाचा मानतो. या देशातला तरुण, अरे युवा शक्ती एक राष्ट्र शक्ती आहे. ही युवा शक्ती जागी झाली तर उद्याचं भविष्य दूर नाही या समाजाचं, या देशाचं. व्हिएतनाम सारखे देश घडवले ते तरुणाने घडवलेले. इंडोनेशियातली क्रांती केली ती तरुणाने केलेली. राखेच्या ढिगातून जपानला उभा केला तरुणांचं योगदान.
Joins us now. Imtiaz, could you just translate for us some of the main points made by Anna so far?
Well, Anna has just started speaking, Vishnu, and what he has said initially is that he would like to thank all the people who have supported him in his agitation. He especially thanked the people of Raleigh City who were behind him all throughout his agitation. There were Raleigh City residents who had come to New Delhi to extend their support. And so initially he thanked all those people, and he said it's actually the victory of the people of Raleigh City and everyone who participated in his agitation. Further, he said that in the last over 60 years of independence, the cases of corruption, the cases of terrorism, loot has come down, and that is the reason why precisely he says this agitation was actually the start of fight for the second freedom struggle. And he has especially thanked the people for assembling here. He has thanked the people of Raleigh City for always supporting him in whatever movement that he has carried on so far. Vishnu?
All right, and just tell us a little bit about the reception that Anna has received in the last couple of days. He was recovering in hospital, but he seems to be full of energy once again. Is he talking at all, or has he been speaking at all about his next campaign?
Well, Vishnu, he has just started speaking, but as far as the response that he got in Raleigh City has been huge response. People have been coming not only from nearby villages, but across the country. We have seen people rushing to Raleigh City just to see Anna Hazare, just to meet him. And today also there's a crowd of over 5,000 people who have come from far-off places to listen to Anna Hazare. Remember, this is for the first time that Anna Hazare is speaking after coming back from the hospital, after launching his successful agitation in New Delhi. And so everybody is eagerly awaiting what Anna Hazare says about his further course of action and what plans he has as far as the agitation to carry forward the fight against corruption is concerned. Vishnu?
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.